Hello learner, in this video we will discuss about 5 function, that is left, right and or and NPV. So I write here some definitions, so let's look at first. So what does left function? Left function returns the character from any text from left side, and right function returns the character from right, and function returns true or false based on the condition, and OR function also returns the true or false based on the condition. So here let's look at one by one. So here when I write here function left, it tells me put the text and the number. So I am here putting the text and comma. So if I want to pick 4 character from this cell from left side, so I have written here 4 and enter. So it gives me CHRI 4 character from left side. For example, if I want from right side, so what I will do, I will enter the text and I will write here 4 because I want 4 character from right side and enter. You can see here from right side it gives me 4 character PHER. Now let's look at AND function. You have to write AND function. What will be logic? And here it asks me for the logic, so I am putting here first logic. And what will be my second logic? My second logic will be this C3 is more than C4, but it is not more than, but let's check. So here it gives me false. Why it gives me false? Because the first condition is true and second condition is false. So now verify it from truth table. So here I have made truth table. So if your first condition is true and second is false, that your result will be false. So that's why it is giving me false. Now let's look at OR function. So here I am taking C8 is greater than C9. It is first logic. And the second will be C5 is greater than C6 and close. Here it is showing me also false. Why it is showing me false? Because C8 is greater than C9. But it is not greater than 9. C1 is lesser than C8 is lesser than C9. So my first condition is false. And the second condition is C5 is greater than 6. So C5 is 21 and C5 is 25. So this condition also false. So what will happen if false and false? My first condition is false and second condition is false. So what will be my result? My result will be false. Here you can verify from truth table if you are using this function in Excel. Now let's look at one more function, NPV, net present value. So what is net present value? Net present value is a financial metric to evaluate the profitability of an investment or project. So what I have done here, so you can see here the cash flow of the project by month, 50, 46, 67 and more and so on. And what will be the rate? Rate will be 10%. So if I want to calculate the net present value for now, so I will use the pre-made function NPV. And here NPV asks me for input rate. So I put here rate 10% and the value will be my range from January to August. So I have selected the range January to August and enter. So what will be the net present value is 4979. So here you can use the net present value to calculate the profitability of an investment from an project. Let's summarize one by one. So what does left function? Left function return the character from left side from any text. Right function return the right side as you want. AND function return the condition true and false, and OR function also return true and false, and both function is working according to truth table. You can see here truth table. That's all from my side. Thank you.